Robots in China are no longer just building, serving, or assisting. They're training to fight. Yes, you heard that right. China is preparing humanoid robots for battle, literally. What began as an engineering curiosity is rapidly evolving into something out of a sci-fi action film. These machines are being trained to move, respond, and now, to strike. The movement isn't scattered or random, it's centralized and deliberate. Backed by the Chinese government, robotics companies across the country are developing next-generation humanoids, designed not just to assist, but to dominate. China's plan is bold. Mass-produce humanoid robots by 2025 and seize global dominance in the robotics market by 2027. And as the rest of the world looks on with growing concern, these robots are becoming smarter, stronger, and more agile every day. At the center of this revolution is Ajabot, a cutting-edge AI and robotics company making headlines with its LimX X2 robot. Founded by Ping Xiui, a former Huawei genius recruit, Ajabot is reporting massive progress. Their robots are now capable of intricate interactions, showing off fluid mobility, AI-powered vision, and the kind of reflexes that make them hard to ignore. In one demonstration, the LimX X2 doesn't just walk. It performs martial arts moves and recovers gracefully from falls. It's short, just over 4 feet tall, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in precision and balance. Another advanced model, named Neza, has been shown transitioning between bipedal and wheeled locomotion. That versatility isn't just for show, it's strategic. Built with reusable core components, these robots can be assembled in under 20 hours, creating an assembly line-style production model that can be scaled easily. China isn't just developing smart machines, it's engineering a system to flood the market with them. And Ajabot is just one player. Another Shanghai-based firm, UniXAI, has already begun mass-producing its humanoid robot Wanda 2.0, starting at just $12,000. Founded by Fred Yang, a Yale PhD student with more than 15 publications in robotic visual and touch perception, UniXAI has taken a different approach. Wanda 2.0 skips legs altogether, opting for a wheel-based system that's safer for use around children and elderly people. Its arms, however, are cutting-edge, offering 8 degrees of freedom and advanced tactile sensing that allows it to handle fragile objects, pour liquids, and even fold clothes. A robot made for homes, but clearly capable of more.
I noticed that it does not have legs.
Well, I think firstly, it's for the safety reason, because these are for the home appliance, home application. So we have kids, we have an elder person in your family. So wheel-based, it can offer a pretty good balance. And with the 2 legs, now we can see the motion control, something we still need time to further develop.
Then there's LimX Dynamics from Shenzhen. They've rolled out the 3rd generation of their humanoid robot, the CL3. Standing at 5'5", this robot isn't just tall, it's powerful. With 31 degrees of freedom, it performs high-precision stretches and can navigate complex environments in real time, thanks to its onboard sensors and AI systems. The CL3 is a glimpse of what general-purpose robots will look like when they're ready for real-world deployment. But here's where things take a dramatic turn. In the city of Hangzhou, a revolution is unfolding. Humanoid robots about the size of 5th graders are being prepped for combat. Not metaphorically, literally. A real-life robot combat arena is being built, and China is about to host its first mech fighting tournament. Unitree Robotics, one of the country's leading developers of AI-powered humanoid and quadrupedal robots, is behind the event. The company opened a massive 10,000 square meter factory in April 2025 to meet surging demand. And now, their robots are being trained to box. Media footage shows these machines practicing jabs, uppercuts, and footwork routines. This isn't just a tech demo, it's a statement. The first ever mech combat tournament is scheduled to stream live in late May. It's called Iron Fist King. 4 teams will remotely control humanoid robots in a mix of exhibition and competitive matches. The fights won't be autonomous yet. The robots are controlled by humans. But this is the first step. Think of it as mixed martial arts with metal. But Unitree isn't alone in this robotic arms race. Booster Robotics, another Chinese firm, has partnered with Singapore-based Frodobots to create an online platform called Ultimate Fighting Bots, or FB. The concept is wild. Anyone in the world can remotely control a real humanoid robot in a live fight. Players use keyboards, controllers, or Joy-Cons from anywhere with an internet connection. Matches are 10 minutes long, and the goal is simple: knock your opponent down. The platform is currently free to join as it gains traction, but it's more than entertainment. Every match generates invaluable data, from visual inputs to player control patterns. Engineers use that data to improve robot responsiveness, movement prediction, and AI behavior. It's like crowdsourcing a massive data set for the next generation of battle-ready machines. But the excitement is being tempered by serious concerns. Recently leaked footage showed a Unitree humanoid robot malfunctioning, flailing uncontrollably in a lab. The scene sparked fresh worries about safety and control. These are the same types of robots being used in combat platforms. What happens if a glitch occurs mid-battle, or worse, outside the arena? San Francisco-based company Mech is working on a similar concept. They offer a VR-based robot combat platform where players train in simulated environments before taking control of real robots in physical matches. The blend of virtual training and real-world action feels like something straight out of Hollywood. In fact, many have drawn parallels between these developments and the 2011 movie Real Steel, which imagined a world where humans remotely controlled giant boxing robots. That movie, in turn, was inspired by a 1963 Twilight Zone episode based on a short story by Richard Matheson, the same author who wrote I Am Legend. And let's not forget the classic toy Rock'em Sock'em Robots, which first hit shelves in 1964. That fantasy of building machines for battle has been with us for decades. What we're witnessing now is that fantasy turning real. The implications are huge. China is not just innovating in robotics, they're shaping the future of human-machine interaction. They're building not only helpful robots for homes and factories, but also competitive and combative machines that might one day fight autonomously. Every punch, every line of code, and every data set collected is contributing to an ecosystem where intelligent machines won't just walk beside us, they may one day challenge us. Whether that future is thrilling or terrifying is still up for debate. What's clear is that China is not waiting. Their humanoid robots are learning, adapting, and training, and the world is watching. If you found this story fascinating and want to stay updated on the cutting edge of AI and robotics, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more to come.